Strawberry spaghetti, strawberry spaghetti, strawberry spaghetti,
Strawberry spaghetti.
Today we're making strawberry spaghetti. I show you how to. Now today we're making strawberry spaghetti, and I show you how to. First, we get a strawberry. There's one. Then we slice the strawberry. It's done. Now we dry the strawberry. Done. And finally, we turn it into a powder. Also done. We got some strawberry powder, some flour, and an egg. Let's make some pasta. Strawberry pasta. Strawberry spaghetti. Wow, really looks like it's coming together. Now would you look at that? That's a pasta dough ball. That's a pasta dough ball. That's a pasta dough ball. Let's make a sweet cream sauce. Cream, sugar, vanilla, extract. Yowie wowie, yowie wowie. Look, impossible. I hope it works. You know what they say, you don't need a table when you are able. That is not. Now that looks like strawberry spaghetti. Smells like it too. Let's try some. Tastes like strawberry. The water's almost boiling. I'm gonna throw these right in.
strawberry spaghetti.
When in Rome.
It's really good.